5 reasons to learn Scottish Gaelic. 1. Na Bealtaine, so that you can pronounce and understand the names of our Scottish mountains. Out with saying cheesecake. In with Bichain a Choraheski. Ja, Kjol agus Orain, so that you can understand and appreciate the richness, depth and beauty of Gaelic song. Whether that's O chi mina mór fianna, or Engine tractor agus van, engine tractor agus van. 3. Erson Denachain. Being multilingual is good for your brain, and you can win Scrabble in 2 languages. And you're sure that's how you spell it, right? Aye, has an achlar. Céhir, Gaelip. Ask not what Gaelic can do for you, but what you can do for Gaelic. Every language needs speakers and communities to thrive and to grow. Agus ha fáil se ráit gan a chuirsnach. Coig, Behichin. You can command your dog or any other pet in more than 1 language. Sit is sui. 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 Get or fetch is fai. Fire. Fire. Get it. Oh. And leave that is fuck shit. Fuck shit. Fuck shit. Voor die gast.